It's Aiden. Your mom. Look what he got to eat, y'all. You gonna tell him what you got?
Fries, toast, chicken tenders.
And what kind of drink?
Red drink.
A red drink, yeah. Grandma got her some KFC, guys. And me and Aiden got us some Slim Chickens. There's her KFC, y'all. Y'all see that? I got 5, 5, and 5. I got 5 wings, 5 tenders. My mama calling. Okay. Alright, y'all. I ate one of these already. Thanks for watching this little short video, y'all. I gotta end the video here because Aiden has put a hole in his cup or something like that. So he had his music playing, so I had to get him situated. So thanks for watching. Bye.